Hello everyone. Welcome to the online video presentation. I am Mohammed Sharif, lecturer in English. Our topic today is question tags. Let us try to learn about question tags. The first question comes, what are question tags? Question tags are short questions at the end of a statement. They are used while asking for agreement or confirmation. So now, let us try to understand how to form a question tag. The rule says a positive statement is followed by a negative question tag. So, a positive statement is given here, you are a student. A negative question means it should have the words like no or not. First of all, remember, while making a question tag, subject and verb, they will interchange their positions. That means the verb comes first, followed by a negative word, then the subject and a question tag. Let us look at this example. You are a student. The verb should go first, then there should be a not, then the subject and a question mark. You are a student. Are not you? Are, aren't you? Then let us look at the other example. He is very busy. Let us turn this into a negative question tag. Is not he. He is very busy. Is not he? Or isn't he? So, once again, a positive statement is always followed by a negative question tag. Whatever is the verb in the positive statement will take the first place, followed by it the word not, followed by that the subject will come. It ends with a question mark. A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. It's exactly the opposite to what we have learned earlier. So if the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Let us look into it. You are not a teacher. It's a negative statement. So the rule says the verb should come first. It has come. Then there should be a positive question tag. So not is removed. The subject comes next, followed by it the question mark. Let us look into another example. You do not speak English. Do you? Let us look into a few more examples. We will look at both positive statements with negative question tags and negative statements with positive question. Let us go now. Jack is from Spain, a positive statement. Is not he? If the same thing comes into a negative statement, let us see. Jack is not from Spain. Is he? Mary can speak English. Cannot she or can't she? Mary cannot speak English. Can she? They are funny. Are not they? Aren't they? They are not funny. Are they? He should say things like that. Should not he? If it goes to the negative side, let us see. He should not say things like that. Should he? You will pass the exam, won't you? Remember, we cannot write will not you. Will not will become won't. You will not pass the exam. Will you? You won't pass the exam. Will you? Now, When the statement contains a word with a negative meaning, the question needs to be positive. He hardly speaks to unknown persons. Here, hardly gives the negative meaning. He never speaks. He never speaks to unknown persons. So, the question tag comes in a positive way. Does he? They rarely eat in hotel. Do they? Rarely means they never. It's a negative statement. So try to be very careful when you are judging what type of statement it is. Now let me tell you a few exceptions. While making a negative question tag, I am has to be written as aren't or are not. So you cannot say am not. Let us look at this example. I am attractive. Aren't I? It's a rule you have to follow. You should not say am not I. But if we are making a positive question tag having the word I am, the general rule has to be followed. For example, I am not attractive. The statement is already negative, so the question tag is positive, am I? We are writing something like, let's go to the beach, shall we? And this and that is it. This is Paul's pen, isn't it? Let's now practice a few exercises. It is raining, isn't it? I am selected, aren't I? You are joking, aren't you? They are winning, aren't they? I am not guilty, am I? He can sing, can't he? She cannot swim, can she? They have left the place, haven't they? Sita did her homework, didn't she? They don't like cats or dogs. Do they? We will win, won't we? He can't help coughing, can he? They haven't played well, have they? She knows Telugu, doesn't she? None of the clerks came, did they? None means no one. It is a negative statement. Let's go to the beach, shall we? Mohan doesn't work hard, does he? The children went to sleep, didn't they? We aren't disturbing you, are we? Some of them are going to Guntur, aren't they? Thank you.